Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. This is a brief update about the disturbing disappearance of Winshay Barrett just hours after another girl, 9-year-old Felisa Persia, was found. The frantic search for missing 13-year-old Winshay Barrett continues. Winshay, a resident of Bath, St. Thomas, went missing after she was reportedly abducted about 5 p.m. yesterday afternoon. It was reported that Winshay accompanied her older sister to the back of their yard to feed pigs. Her sister went to get water and later discovered that Winshay was missing. So there is a buzz of activity happening in Bath right now. The police are in their numbers. The fire department, JDF, Child Protective Service, a large number of residents from across the parish have joined the search. That is thunder happening outside. It is pretty much overcast. So the police and JDF have been using their canine to assist in the search as well. And the police are following numerous leads at this time. The team are now combing areas that they have gotten information which suggested that the suspect and the child would have been seen. Now, a woman who is a part of the search party lamented the lengthy distance Winshay and her sister had to trek to tend to the pigs. So the news said, they went to feed pigs at the back of their yard. So I was thinking from the house to the pig pen. But it is not so. It appears to be the land is very big. And so the distance from the house to get to the pig pen is very lengthy. So the mother must have let her guard down after she heard that Felisa was found. I'm not even blaming her right now because I can't imagine what she's going through. She probably blaming herself. But as parents, we have just one job to do, and it's to protect our children at all costs. I am not living near St. Thomas, and listen, my guard is way up right now. I am on alert. In my previous video, I said no one in Bath, St. Thomas, knew that Davian Bryan raped a woman in Portland except the person he was staying with. Obviously, I was wrong because a lady who lived in Bath, St. Thomas, said that the woman didn't know about the rape part. So I have a voice note that I'm gonna play, so listen to it. And I saw a report as well that the woman's house was set ablaze. Fortunately, she wasn't home. So thanks for watching. Hopefully there will be some good news today that the girl is found and the rape is captured. Thanks for watching.
Do not attack the person that had this man at his house. Why? This man is on bail from Portland. That means he's here legally. And when I say legal, I mean somebody bail him and ask somebody to keep him. Now, the person that bailed him did not tell the person the crime that he committed. They just spoke of it as it was a gun charge. If the lady knew it was a rape charge, the lady would have him. So the woman innocent. Please, me, I beg you, be smart and be wise. And even so, if we don't catch him before we, do not kill this man. I'm not even going to say do not harm, but do not kill this man. Maybe more picnic out there what we need to find. Maybe he needs to speak up.